Hello students, I am Professor Jalis Ahmed. In this video we are going to learn unit number 4, Professional Ethics. These are the contents of the unit. First topic is natural acceptance of human values, definitiveness of ethical human conduct. Third is humanistic education and universal human order. Fourth is competence in professional ethics. And last is transition towards value based life and professions. Okay, so we'll discuss, as you know, that this is our theoretical subject. Okay, and most of us know different thing. In all first 3 units we have studied various values, harmony in the self and body, harmony with the nature. Okay, now from fourth unit, in this fourth unit we are going to study professional ethics. So this ethics, professional ethics, is linked with the unit number first, second and third. Means for this unit also we required no, for this unit also we require what do we mean by values, what is the important of values, positive values, negative values, ethics, moral. When all these values are utilized in particular profession, that become professional ethics. Means professional ethics means ethical behavior in a particular profession. So whereas ethical behavior means good behavior with positive behavior with positive values in a particular profession. The profession means any profession, that may be engineering. As we are going to become engineer, so our profession is engineer. So how engineer should behave in his profession. For example, we may work in a multinational company as an engineer. So we have to work with a certain we have to work as a professional. We must have to follow certain professional ethics. Okay, so that we have to study in this unit. So uh, in this video I'm delivering that particular we can say introduction to this unit. Okay, so in this professional ethics we have to behave in a particular positive manner, good thought, good values, good moral values in a particular profession. That's why we are studying this subject, that whenever that engineer we are going to engineers are whatever the engineers, uh, a number of engineers are there in every year. A number of engineers come out from different colleges, so they should come out with certain values. They should have the knowledge of professional ethics. They should have knowledge. They should become a good behavior person. They must part of professional ethics. So when they are going to enter in any engineering organization, so they must be ready for everything. So they must be ready with the all technical aspect, technical knowledge, as well as various values. They must have various positive values. They must have a respect for the elders, trust, a truthfulness, honesty. All the values should be there. Then and then they can behave in an ethical manner. So when ethics come inside a particular person, ethics is followed by engineer in a student, then he can also work. He can also follow those ethics in a particular professional to become a professional ethics. Okay, so various contents are natural acceptance of human values. So it means that we should accept the various values naturally. A number of natural things are there in our surroundings, so we cannot change those things. For example, any person is having a black body, black skin is there, he should accept it positively, that though I have black skin on my body, but I have two hand, two feet are there, I have eyes, I have ear, everything is there. No problem with the black skin. I'm going to accept this particular whatever the things which are given by the nature, I'm going to accept it. That is a natural acceptance. Okay, of various, like natural acceptance of various things. Okay, then definitiveness of ethical human conduct. How should be a ethical human conduct? How should be the behavior of a person? Human conduct means behavior, ethical conduction of behavior of a human in ethical manner. उसका बिहेवियर कैसा होना चाहिए, हाउ शुड बी द डेफिनेट. ऑब्वियसली डेफिनेटिवनेस मतलब निश्चित मानवीय आचरण. निश्चितपणे तो Definitely, he should speak honestly. He should have truthfulness, honesty, regularness, discipline. So such kind of things are called as definiteness of ethical human conduct. निश्चित मानवीय आचरण. मतलब when a particular we are human, we must have these things. We must have these values inside us. Okay, and humanistic education and universal human order. So we have to study this universal human order, humanistic education. In a certain order is there. We have to follow that. Then competence in professional ethics. Competence means the various qualities which are required to get success in life. Success in a particular profession is called as a competence. Okay, competing professional ethics. So what are the qualities which are required? We have to see that. So in order to get success in as an engineer, we must have different things, different qualities. We have to see that. Okay, then transition towards value-based life and a profession. So what is the need of the transition of the value-based life and profession? Why? What is the importance of value? Why there is a need of transition to the value-based life and profession? That is need to be seen in that video. Okay, so take the overlook of that video here. PPTs is a professional ethics. Professional ethics concern one's conduct of behavior and practice when carrying out professional work. As I said, practically every professional organization has an official code of ethics. Okay, so we'll see in that next video. Thank you.